I did it. I ordered more seeds. There are still things that you can plant in June, and these are the things that I'm planting in June. All of these seeds are from Baker's Creek. That's rareseeds.com, and it's where I usually and typically get all of my heirloom seeds from. Up first, arugula. This is my favorite type of lettuce, greeny thing you could possibly grow. It's peppery. You can throw it on your flatbread pizzas with all the fresh veggies that you're making. You can still grow this right now in New Jersey Zone 7B if I get it in some kind of shade so it doesn't bolt. Next up, I got melon seeds, and here's the thing. I bought them because I planted melon seeds already and they were eaten by bunnies and one of them wasn't growing. However, I ordered these, and then in my gardener's impatience, what I ended up doing was going to the local nursery and just getting a couple melon plants that were already started and throwing those in. So I might try to succession sow these and see if I can get a second round, and we'll find out. I got a bunch of beans. I got these Nautica Dwarf, Dragon Tongue, and Purple Dove. These are a bush bean. They're also a bush habit bean, also bush beans. I got a couple different kinds of beets. The regular kind of red here, patinas they're called, and then golden, because I really love a good beet salad. My friends make fun of me, but beet salads are amazing. I have plenty of time to grow these right now in New Jersey, and I can definitely get a lot of these in throughout the summer. And sunflowers. I planted a bunch of sunflowers this year, and bunnies decided to come along and eat all of my sunflowers. So I decided to get 2 different varieties of sunflowers. These are chocolate cherries. How beautiful are these? These are autumn beauties. I've had these before. They actually come out really dark. Like, this orange is beautiful, but when I've had them in the past, they come out more of like a bronze, deep red color. It's gorgeous. It's a little gothic and it just looks beautiful. I mean, hello, gorgeous. And then Baker's Creek is great because they always give you free seeds. They did give me carrot seeds. I just planted a bunch of carrots. I don't know if I'm gonna plant these right now, but I could plant them for the summer. I'll definitely be planting more in the fall. This is too late for me. These are peppers. It's 100 days to go. Ooh, blazing hot. See, I don't know what these are. It's free. This I'll save until next year, and I'll grow them in the greenhouse next year. It's not too late to grow some seeds. Start them in your house or on your deck. Doesn't matter, just get them started and put them in the ground. If you're still growing right now in whatever zone you're in, I'd love to hear about it. So leave it in a comment and tell me what zone you're in and what seeds you're popping into the ground or into a little pot right now.